In this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you an amazing keyboard shortcut. There are many keyboard shortcuts in Blender, but this one is really great for navigating quickly when you're working in Blender. Normally, we navigate with the middle mouse button and this orbits around. We can also hold shift middle mouse button to pan around like this. But there's one more option that we can use with the middle mouse button. Option or Alt, holding it and then dragging one direction automatically snaps to the orthographic projection. Then you can just snap by dragging. So hold Alt and Option and drag with the middle mouse button, and you can quickly rotate a character around to different views. This is very quick and easy to do, especially when you're working and you need to see from one view or another, or if you're matching a reference image. So quickly hold Alt or Option and then just drag with your middle mouse button, and you can switch between the orthographic views in Blender. Happy 3D modeling.